Hey, what's up everyone? Nick here with The Last Coat. Today's tutorial we're going to discuss using iron off to decontaminate your paint surface. The reason we use iron off is to help break down and loosen up the embedded iron contamination to make clay barring or using a clay mitt much easier. So now we're going to use iron off to actually decontaminate the paint surface of this vehicle. It's a very similar process to decontaminating the wheels and cleaning the wheels. We're going to spray this onto a dry surface. You can pre-rinse it if you want, but again, if there's water on the surface, it's just going to dilute the iron off. But if you wanted to get rid of most of the debris, if it was very, very thick on the surface, that could help as well. So then iron off isn't having to struggle as much to break down through as much debris and things like that. So kind of up to you upon the severity of the situation. So we're just going to spray iron off directly onto the surface here. And we will get a purple reaction when the iron starts melting away out of the surface. We can actually start seeing the purple reaction occurring down here where the license plate was. It's now starting to purple around here. When you're driving your car, you get kind of a swirling effect, so the air starts to tumble behind the car, which in turn all the debris and all the brake dust, which is full of iron contaminants, come up and land onto the backside of the car. So the top side of your car and the back side will be the most contaminated, theoretically and typically. So we'll just let that dwell here for a bit, 2 to 5 minutes, like I said. Okay, now that we've let this dwell, we're going to take high pressured water and rinse it off. And we will still clay bar this surface or use a clay mitt, but this will also improve the life of your clay bar or your clay mitt because we will chemically melt down the iron deposits before having to remove them with a clay bar or a clay mitt.